In this video, let's practice taking more derivatives involving inverse functions. You need to remember formulas. Usually we only ask you to remember arcsine, arccosine, and arctangent derivatives for those three. I remember the derivative of arcsine is 1 over big square root 1 minus input squared. And if that input is a function, then you need to multiply by the derivative of this function. Cosine is the same as but negative, and for arctangent, remember derivative of arctangent is 1 over no square root and plus input squared, and then if that input has a function, to differentiate that function. Basically chain rule. We're using chain rule again. Chain rule. So let's do it. Actually, in this case, as you can see, indeed we have a function inside of the arcsine. Derivative of this function will be 8 is just multiplied by the derivative of arcsine because it's a rate multiplied by function. Derivative of arcsine will be 1 over a huge square root. I just like to say it for fun, that it is huge. 1 minus input squared. So when you say it input squared, you see it, you look at your input and you write down x squared, but that is the input, so don't forget to square it. Times the derivative of the function inside, and derivative of the function inside is 2x because we're differentiating x squared. That's actually the answer. You can simplify a little bit like so. 8 and 2 can be multiplied out, which gives you 16x, well 16 multiplied by x, divided by square root 1 minus x to the 4. And that is the answer. Keep practicing those formulas. The more you do it, the better you become at differentiating inverse trigonometric functions. Good luck!